Okay, I have no idea. Did he really deserve such a hard slap? Anyway, let's start with a question now. Do you shop online? Do you know where all the great stuff is, the best bargains? But do you also know what dangers lurk when you shop online? A study from cybersecurity firms now show that Indian internet users are increasingly logging on to do business transactions and are not just using the net for emailing and networking. But they also fear that Indian users' lack of knowledge about the hazards of online business makes them particularly vulnerable to cheats and frauds.
Indian internet users are getting savvier by the day. Today, Indians go online not just for emailing, but many also conduct business online. Consider this, according to the online security industry, the Indian internet users conducting business online grew from 1% in 2004 to 7% in 2008. This could be an encouraging trend, but are Indians really aware of online frauds, and do they even care? The levels and the methods of online fraud and stealing have become supremely sophisticated. Security industry says most of us don't. Online security provider VeriSign says 83% of Indian internet users do not care if the website they are on is safe and need to learn more about tools to fight them. More and more users are shopping online, banking online, and networking online, and remain vulnerable to hacking and stealing. Online security industries claim they can protect netizens if users subscribe to their authentication services, including VIP security codes that change every 30 seconds. This is over and above a username and password. All you do is sign up, and then you can use this dynamic password on a number of sites and services. But is this too complex for the users? Are these scare tactics? Is this just another way of frightening the user into more commercial usage of services?
So in a very interesting question that came up at the end of that story, to answer all those questions at the end, I spoke to internet security provider VeriSign a while back. This is Rajiv Chadda, the VP. We spoke to him about all the stuff that is happening. My first question was, when you talk about all these things, the things that are actually coming up out here, are these for real, or is this just another way to get people scared? For instance, when you have a lot of antivirus software coming, isn't it because the virus companies actually are contemplating the very idea of having many more virus sites? Let's find out now what Rajiv Chadda of VeriSign had to say.